Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a hassle-free way to convert your HTML, CSS, JavaScript website into an APK format or iOS format, allowing you to easily install it on Android devices. And the best part is, there's no coding required, and you won't need to deal with the complexities of Android Studio. But before we jump in, let me introduce you to the process that makes this thing possible. WebView. WebView is an incredible feature available on most mobile devices. It allows you to display web content directly within a mobile application. It acts as a bridge between a website and the app, essentially turning your website into a native app. Users can access your website without having to open a separate browser, providing a seamless and immersive experience. Now that you understand how WebView works, let's dive into the simple step-by-step process of converting your website into APK or iOS format without any coding or Android Studio required. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is upload your website to the internet so that you can access it from anywhere. If you've already done this, just copy your website URL and let's continue. But if not, watch my previous video on how to upload websites to the internet using GitHub and Netlify. Now that we have your website URL, head over to gonative.io, the official GoNative website, where you will find an easy to use platform for converting your website into an app. On the GoNative platform, enter the URL of your website and click on Convert My Website to APK format. One of the best features of GoNative is the ability to add a personal touch to your app. You can customize your app's name, colors, and even add your own splash screen to give it a unique look and feel. You can use the emulators on the right side of the screen to simulate how your website will look as an app. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, click on Convert My Website to an app. Once GoNative finishes converting your website, you will receive a download link to your newly created APK or iOS app. All you have to do is download it and install it on your Android or iOS device. For those of you who are tech savvy, GoNative provides an option where you can download the source code of your app so that you can further modify it on Android Studio or Xcode. This method is perfect for most website and web apps, while more complex applications might require additional development work. For the majority of projects, this solution will work without a problem. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know if it works for you in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.